a surprise for you.
Introducing SlideAway, the safe, removable in-ground pool slide from S.R.Smith. SlideAway makes splashing fun as easy as roll, set, fill, and splash. Roll SlideAway onto the deck and align the sides of the runway to ensure that the exit safely overhangs the pool. Then place the brace under the slide. Next, fill the base of the slide with a garden hose to the minimum fill line. Start the splashing fun by inserting the garden hose at the top of the slide. And while the kids are having hours of fun, you'll feel good knowing that SlideAway is the only removable in-ground pool slide that fully complies with the federal CPSC safety standards. The best part is, the SlideAway is just as easy to hide away. When done for the day, just drain and wheel away until you are ready to use it again. SlideAway, the safe, removable pool slide from S.R.Smith.